Back to my channel. Wow guys, look at this hairstyle. This hairstyle is nice. Yeah, look at my girl, she is rocking this fashion twist. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I get this gorgeous hairstyle in my girl hair. Continue to watch this video to the end. So yes guys, I'm gonna start off by sectioning her hair. I'm gonna plait it in finger plait. So guys, I am not going to plait the hair too tight. Reason being for that, I am just gonna, it's look tight but it's not tight because I have to give the hair room so I could push the lock pin inside it so it don't hurt her scalp. So I'm not doing it tight, even though it look tight, it's not tight. You guys gonna see how freely my pin is going to go into her hair so I can do the twist. So guys, I'm gonna do a beginner friendly hairstyle tutorial in this fashion twist, but I'm not gonna do it today guys. I'm just gonna show you guys. You guys just continue to watch this video to the end and see how I get my girl hairstyle. I'm not lying you, she is rocking this hairstyle. She's rocking this hairstyle and it fits her face perfect. Guys, love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell other friends about your girl sharing style. I love you guys. I love you. Ciao. So guys, don't forget to drop your comments guys. Tell me how you like this hairstyle.